ये कवि है, पत्रकार है, चिंतक है, सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता है, डॉक्यूमेंट्री मेकर, वो सभी छोड़। मैं एक क्वालिफिकेशन है, जिस आई वांट क्वालिफिकेशन, I came from agriculture family. Still I am doing agriculture. I am the great gambler of agriculture. Point to be noted, I am great gambler. In our system made that ये कृषि प्रधान देश में है, कृषि के व्यवसाय वर्ग के वो क्या ना झूठ करते कारण है gambling. Whatever the government, I am not belong to any party. I am not leftist, I am not rightist, I am rightist. कोई गवर्नमेंट होता है, एनी गवर्नमेंट with the central government, state government, they never give still justice to our farmer. Yeah, my farmer, किसान family अभी भी आत्महत्या होता था. Still, they don't have capacity to give at least minimum fixed price. Minimum. I'm ashamed. Whatever the government, I'm not under. If any government have capacity to give justice, at least minimum for the crop. Every moment in Karnataka, they are going to suicide. They are the backbone of the country. Everywhere, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Today what happened? So my humble request, we have to think about हमारे किसान का जिंदगी अच्छी होते हैं, भारत प्रकाशमान होता है.